Pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Sift. Sift the flour finely before adding to the mixture. Break. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Knead. I knead the dough for the bread. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish? Roast. She is roasting the chicken. Drain. I drain the pasta, then I share it out between two plates. Mix. Mix the flour with some eggs. Roll out. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Sauté. Sauté the onion for 2 minutes. Boil. The water is boiling. Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Blend. Blend all the ingredients together. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Chop. I need to chop the potato for the dish. Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Pour. Don't pour hot water into the glass or it will crack. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.